Introducing template projects for Wendy CLI. With one command, you can go from a blank Raspberry Pi 5 to a live camera feed streaming to your browser with just a simple USB camera. From the terminal, create a new project with Wendy init -- template. Select Wendy OS and then the camera feed template. Then your language of choice, such as Python. Next, plug in a USB webcam like so, and just run Wendy Run. In an instant, Wendy will deploy an entirely offline app that uses and streams the webcam feed from the USB-C cable directly into your machine's browser. No Wi-Fi, no setup, no cloud dependencies. Just plug it in, run one command, and you're live.